Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft testing video. We're going to be testing this Marui A4. I say A4 because it used to be an A4. We've converted the full stock into the Magpul SL MOE stock. That's fitted and adjusts. I've left it so it's a little bit stiff, so it gives you a bit of a resistance, but obviously quite positive, and it's still able to move, so that's quite nice. I've done it sort of too loose. Then we've got obviously the front wiring. What I did is I had an A5 Mosfet, so I've swapped that over so that to save us having to chop any of the wiring, and then obviously that leaves me with another Mosfet unmodified there, so spare. So then we've got the full level 7 build internally, so we've done the upgraded EagleSix mainspring. We've got the Psionic R hop, which is the actual patch itself. We've combined that with a modified TM hop rubber, because unfortunately, like I say, they don't do a compatible AEP rubber yet. So we've got the Prometheus upgraded type ball barrel. We've got the Prometheus bearings. We've got the Prometheus hard gears, the 18:1 for these. We've got the FPS piston head, FPS piston. We've got the FPS cylinder head. We've got the Lilacs cylinder. We've got the Firefly Airnozzle, and we've got the Marui Sumerian Cobalt motor, which are all in stock now for those waiting for those. So the recommended ammo for this is 3.2s, but we've taken some measurements on 2.8s for you, and that's 286. And 369 on 3.2s. So yeah, so it's all good and safe. We bumped it up a little bit after the previous numbers that we sent to you, but yeah, we're just ready for demonstrating it now. So I've got some 3.2s inside here. There you go. As with all of the MP5s, please be careful around the wiring. So trapping wires inside these handguards is very easy to do and can cause short circuits, even just pressing two wires together, even though you don't actually cut them. So, yep, be careful when jamming batteries in there. But other than that, like I say, it's I've got obviously, because like I say, we've got the A5 wiring, so I've brought it to about there, because obviously the when you take the rear wired and put them front, all it is just comes really long, so you can just cut it and shorten it, but like I say, I had the A5, and I just think it's neater, so yeah, so I'll just swap that over, and you've still got the Dean's connection on there if in case you want that, but we'd always recommend the MR30 batteries if you want to. So but yeah, cool, right, that's all sorted and tested. Any problems, let us know, but otherwise we hope you enjoy. Thank you.